Happy bahay, happy buhay. Mag-asawang patnubay, sa mag-asaway gabay.
Bong, alam mo, kapag Christmas, maraming tao ang na-stress. Kasi syempre, ang daming parties na kailangan attendan,
Left
lalo
and
na
right.
ngayon, medyo maluwag na. Ang daming kailangan pamilihing pagkain panghanda. Ang daming kailangang regalo na dapat bilihin, di ba? Yet, these people are busy, pero syempre ayaw nilang i-neglect ang kanilang marriage at ang kanilang pagsasama. Connecting with your spouse is possible even when you're busy.
Tama, Claire. At yan nga po ang pag-uusapan natin today. Making time for your husband or your wife without adding anything to your load.
That is right. So ano ba yung mga dapat nating gawain this Christmas to
Yan.
make sure na hindi natin napapabayaan ang ating marriage, ang ating asawa?
Ganda.
Una-una, when you wake up in the morning, a perfect opportunity to connect emotionally and spiritually is to take 10 minutes to enjoy coffee together. Mag-usap kayo, magdasal, and encourage each other. Kami po ni Bong yan ang lagi namin ginagawa. When we
Yes.
wake up, nagko-coffee kami, nagdarasal kami together, and we just connect emotionally and spiritually.
That's true. Yan po ang isa sa aming mga bonding moments together. Number 2, when you are away, halimbawa, nasa opisina ka o nasa trabaho ka, try to send some romantic notes, some text messages to your spouse para
Yes.
medyo may kilig factor,
At
hindi ba?
ginagawa mo yan.
Yes, and by doing that, you are showing him or her how much you appreciate her.
Ang sarap ng feeling, di ba? Yung in the middle of the day, busy kayo pareho, biglang tumunog yung cellphone mo, asawa mo pala, checking on you. Nakakakilig yun, di ba? Number 3, when your spouse arrives home, nako, stop doing. Kung ano man ang ginagawa nyo, drop it, di ba? At greet nyo po ang asawa nyo. Kiss your husband, kiss your wife. And syempre naman, sabay kayo mag-dinner, di ba? O baka naman pwede pa, di ba? Sabay kayo na mag-shower. O sabay kayong manood ng favorite nyong film
I
bago
like that.
matulog.
Although the holidays are a busy and wonderful time of the year, be intentional about pursuing your spouse and using everyday moments to strengthen your marriage.
Mula po sa Happy Bahay, Happy Buhay, Merry Christmas!
Lagi po nating tandaan na ang mag-asawang sabay manalangin.
Napagtatagumpayan lahat ng suliranin.
Ako po si Bong Pineda.
At ako naman po si Claire para sa Happy Bahay.
Happy buhay!
Happy bahay, happy buhay. Mag-asawang patnubay, sa mag-asaway gabay.